We made it to downtown Disney. This is day 1. I am excited. It's pretty warm, not crowded at all. Very cute music playing. Let's see what there is to see here. We stepped inside the Lego store because I saw this and I had to come check it out.
Sorry.
So cool. This would take a very long time, I'm assuming. And a paycheck or two. Looks like they've put out some different fall decor here. They have a bunch of different artsy pumpkins, I guess. This is so adorable. And then it's like Pluto has Chip and Dale up there. So we are just walking to the entrance because I know they have the very cute pumpkins out. And we're not coming in till later tonight to Disney's California Adventure to go to the Oogie Boogie Bash, and that'll be a separate video, but just walking around this morning and looking at everything because I haven't really explored too much of downtown Disney, but it's nice to see all the decorations and everything out already for Halloween. How adorable is this? Can I get one of each, please, delivered to my apartment to somehow display in my apartment? One of each. So we have this at Disney Springs as well, but I know some things are going to be different. So I'm excited to see what's inside. Hopefully lots of things that say Disneyland on them, because I don't see that often. These are interesting. This is pretty. I do like this new trend, but I know everything probably cost $1 million. But I'm probably gonna end up buying some of it. I found the Halloween stuff. They're playing some spooky Halloween music too. Soaring over downtown Disney right now. Music is pretty loud, but it's awesome. Playing a lot of classics. So walking through, they have more of those artsy pumpkins. I really like it. It's something that's unique. They don't have that at Disney Springs. At least I haven't seen Disney Springs do too many things like this, so. Very cute and not too hot here either, which is very much appreciated. So I wanted to walk over and see the Disneyland Hotel because I didn't get to walk through it last time I was here. And from what I've seen, it looks great. So I just want to check it out because I know there's some cool memorabilia in there. So let's go see what's inside. I love how they have the different towers, like the different parts of the park. So cute. They have a pool over there and the Haunted Mansion busts are over the pool. I also want that in my apartment. This is so adorable. Some cute Mary Blair as soon as we walk inside. This looks amazing. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I love this. I think every store should look like this, right? Right? I think so. We're on vacation. It's okay if we do this, really. Unless they're not open, then it's not okay. So the drink I am getting is the Piranha Pool. It has Stoli strength and strawberry vodka blended with pineapple juice, cream of coconut, strawberry puree, and blue carousel, served in a souvenir tiki mug. My husband is ordering the Shipwreck on the Rocks, which has Maker's Mark bourbon with organic agave nectar and freshly muddled lemon and mint. Ooh, that sounds good. Last thing before we leave, the Anaheim Packing House. Getting some either breakfast or lunch or brunch, something. So this place is 2 floors and tons of options here. We did come a little early, so not everything is open. But we wanted to do this before our flight, so maybe some breakfast options. We wish this place was open. But look how pretty it is inside. We are on the 2nd floor. So cute in here. They've actually got a swing in here that you can sit on. And this is a look from the downstairs. So many options. I hope these places open soon. It's like 10:30 right now, so hoping some of them open at 11. And this used to be a packing district for citrus. They would export all kinds of citrus out of here, and now it's kind of a hodgepodge of different restaurants to try. So one of the places that is open this morning is this French patisserie, so I am getting a crepe and spiced iced chai. You thought my sweet tooth was over, but it is not. This is my bananas Foster crepe and my spiced iced chai tea. Perfect ending to this amazing and short, but definitely amazing vacation. If you were wondering, it is quite delicious. My husband went for savory option and got the pho. That looks pretty amazing as well. And it looks like this building has been here for 100 years. Which is crazy. And this is the front of it. So many different options in there, so I highly recommend it to come for lunch or dinner. As you could tell, not too many places were open when we got there, but places are starting to open up now. But we got a flight to catch, so yeah. Highly recommend Anaheim Packing House or Packing District. And this plaque here in the front of it says that it's listed in the National Register of Historic Places. So that's pretty interesting. Only a few years ago that happened. And we just went to the first building. There's actually so much more here. And it looks like they do festivals as well. I love that there's such a variety of different kinds of food and merchants here that you can buy things from. Breweries. Thank you for exploring Anaheim with me. We did downtown Disney and saw what was there. Checked out the Disneyland Hotel and had a drink at the original Trader Sam's. And we just went here to the Anaheim Packing District. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Leave a comment down below on what you liked, and I'll see you next time on Lauren's Travels.